Welcome to our hi Pookies, welcome to our vlog, and I need to tell you something. Let's make an outfit in Brookhaven, but only 100. So let's go. But only 10 to 100. So first of all, 10 100 only. So let's go. Okay, let's do a girl. Here 100, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 6, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. Noy! Ang ganda! Shush! Ang ganda ba? Maya sa boy. Ay! Hot. So, bawal na nga. Girl hot. Girl. 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 32, 48, 61, 62, 63, 64. Balik tayo. 98, 99, 100. 100. Ay, ito pala kasi guys, dito inano ko. Ito yung 100. Ito yung 100. Grabe naman eh, oy. Palitan. Guys, wala nyo na nakuha ko. Ito, Braybon. Ang cute. Kaso ba't lakpas? So, next, this, wait. Magko-close ito maya. Sige, eto na lang. Wala naman ito pa. Ay. Next page na rin. So, let's go bilang. Balik ka na pag 97 to 98, 99, ay 97, 98, 99, 100. Grabing face naman yan. Eh, ganda yan. Walang ilong. Okay, let's make it white. Grabe face yan ba? Okay na yan. Next. Uy. Next. This. Make it girly. But may hash. Okay, let's go. 98. Ay, 98. 99. 100. Hala, meron ba ako na yan? Oh my god, next bag. Okay, let's go. Oh my god, it's making me super duper like it. So, bilang ulit. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68. Balik tayo guys pag 100, 98, 99, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Wow! Gorgeous! Okay na guys, nakuha ko next. Not cuter more. I'm not cuter. Kinda like gang gang. Gang gang. Gang gang. Poging gang gang. Gang gang gang. Okay, let's go. Bilang ulit. 98, 99, 100. Ang cute. Shush! Ang cute niya. Ang cute ng result. Okay, next. This girl. Pakabong. Pakabong. Ang ganda. Pakabong. Pakabong. So, ito bagay sa kanya. Pakabong. Pakabong. Di ka makapakabong. Or eto. Di ko alam pero let's go. 97, 98, 99, 100. Hala, di ko nakuha yung mga ganito. Ang cute sana. Baya. Ito nakuha ko. Konti lang kasi siya. So, ito yung akala ko makukuha ko. Akala ko ito yung hindi yan. Akala ko ito yung makukuha ko. Kasi ang ganda. So, next. Girl. Girly. Kakabong. Bibilang na naman. So, OMG, ano lang pala. Oh my God. Nasino ta? Dun ka nga. Paano siya nakapasok? Sino yun? I think it's my friend. Oh, he's a poor little bacon. Oh my God. I'm so terrible. Konti lang pala siya, guys. So, yeah. Maganda yun. 99, 100. So, ano to? Hindi ko alam to eh. Hindi siya kasama. So, eto na lang kasi hindi siya nakita. Dapat kita kasi. Kasi pag ito, di siya halata. So, ayun na lang. Wala nang magawa. So, girl. Wow. Magbibilang ko niyan. Hintayin nyo. 96, 97, 90, 98, 99, 100. Oh my goodness. Next clothes take. My baby, my treasure. I'm kinda scared. Kasi lang, diba? Oh my goodness, I'm scared. I'm scared. Okay, let's count. 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Wow, gorgeous. Okay, next. Yes, let's count again. Always count. Why? So let's count. 98, 99, 100. Girl. Okay, final result. This is my final result. Dun, dun. Be cool. It's kind of amazing because dapat malaki. Final result pag malaki. Okay, next boy. Okay, I'm a boy now, but let's just change 8 to B. Okay, let's pick now. Let's go. Who's letter? First, let's put name boy. So let's go. And yung boy 50 lang kasi yung girls 100. Yung boys naman 50. So let's go. 49. Ay, 40, 47, 48, 49, 50. Wow, strict to yarn. Sorry, hindi ko makakalimutan. Yung, ano niyan? Second of all, next, boy. 50 lang. Oh my godness. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Ganda yan. Next, Japanese ka boy. Boy, Japanese ka boy. Wait, parang gang gang. Gang gang. Gang gang. Gang gang. Gang gang. Gang gang. Gang. So, tara na. 80, 47, 48, 49, 50. Wow, nice, I guess. I don't really know how to set it. Pero ang ganda naman siya eh. Girls, boy. Okay, last bilang. Forty-eight, 49, 50. What is why? What? So bawal na. Ay. Pwede pala eh. Bakit bawal? Gang gang, gang gang. So, oh, you got flower. You got snot. Okay, magbibilang tayo dito. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Oh, Pips! Ala! Ito yung 50 ah. May sira na siguro sa tablet. Kasi parang lahat. Sa percent na ba ako? Ay, 10. Napablog ka ba talaga? Or ayaw lang kasama? Okay, try na natin gumagana. Kung gumagana na. Ang lag nyo kasi. Diba ID error? Ah! Eto. So bawal siya. I don't know. I think my tab is lag again. Yung pwede ito. Sabi lang na tayo guys. 40, 49, 50. Wow, I got some power. Yung wifi namin. Wait lang. Tanggalin ko nga yung power. Oh my gosh, ang lag. Next, close and 50. Ala, bawal na to. Oh my godness. Bakit? Lahat na lang. Okay guys, I think my tablet is lagged. So, pipili na lang ako na pwede. Item is not bawal ba to sa... Uy, ano to? Pataging babae ako. So, pipili na lang ako na mas na pwede sa pa rin sa kanya. So, this is my final pet. Because my tablet is lag. That's why. Okay. That's all. Bye-bye, guys.